Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix a Snapchat not sending snaps on your device. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guide. So in order to fix your Snapchat not sending snap, first thing what you can do is you can simply check for the update. You'll need to open up your Play Store application, and then on the search box you need to type in Snapchat and whether the application is up to date or not. In case if the update is available, means that you'll need to update it, and after that you might be able to fix it. In case if you have an unstable internet connection, or if you're not connected to your internet, then it might be the reason why you're not able to send snaps on Snapchat. You need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection or you're connected to your internet connection. Now after that, what you can do is if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply log in into your Snapchat account and then click on the chat icon located in the bottom left corner. You can see that the snap is still on pending. In order to fix this kind of error, what you can do is other thing. You can simply click on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. As you do that, click on the gear icon located right on top and then scroll down right to the bottom. And right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option as logout. Click on this option and then click on yes in order to save your login information. And if you're sure about logging out, click on logout, and once you log out of your device you might be able to fix it. And also this kind of error occurs if you have not enabled some of the permission on Snapchat. So what you need to do is long press on your Snapchat application and then click on the app info. After that you'll be able to see a list of options, so click on permission. Once you click on permission, right on top you'll need to enable all of these features such as camera, files and media, location, microphone, and you can go on with the rest of the following options. And after that you might be able to send snaps on Snapchat. So basically those were the method on how you can fix Snapchat not sending snap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.